repair on land-based drilling, offshore accounts. We understand that getting a repair back in a timely manner is beneficial to the customer because it helps mitigate downtime. So, and the accuracy of that repair also mitigates that downtime. We want it to be right the first time. When you install it, it should operate as advertised, and away you go. So we deploy a lot of methods in order to get us there. We have electronic scheduling modules that help to keep the repair moving through the shop. We can tell if the repair is going according to plan, or if there's something that's influencing the repair that may be pulling it off of a delivery time, then we can adjust and course correct during that process real time. And we align ourselves to be a business partner. That really is our business model, that we want to help plants and help operations to keep their uptime at the perspective of helping them to achieve their goals as well.